Hi guys, so ignore this little wet spot I got here. And my nail, it broke. Is something going on every day. Like, let me explain to you what happened with my lashes. Can you see my lashes? I got extensions. The lady tech I went to, she was like, do you want something dramatic or do you want something more natural mascara look? And those were the only two choices I got. So I went for the natural mascara look. I wanted something really simple because that's what I'm used to and that's what I like. Like, I always get these at the store, Ulta and whatnot. You know, simple. And then I started getting these half lashes from Amazon, which is basically is just a half outer corner. And it looks so cute. And they're cheap and, you know, it's just the glue-ons. But yeah, I went to get these lashes done and my mistake was that I didn't do my research on the exact lash that I wanted. Like, I know there's sizes up close. They are super curly, like they curl up like that. Like, it's not necessarily like the caterpillar, but it's close to it. And what I also don't like is that half this part here doesn't really have much lash and it really looks fake on my face. I know some girls like the extensions when, like, because when you don't wear makeup or minimal makeup, you still look very put together, or the lash makes you look like that. That's what I wanted with the natural looking lash. But if it's too much lash like this, or the caterpillar type of lash, your face, if you don't have no makeup or minimal makeup, then it looks really fake, like it stands out a lot. And that's how I feel with these lashes. I'm not used to it. Every time I go somewhere, it's been a couple of days, I feel like people are staring at my lashes. I'm very like aware of what's on my eyes. And also, I don't like it that I can see the hairs every time I blink. Like, I can see the hairs up there, and that I don't want. So it's just that these are way too long and I don't want them. Therefore, I did my little Google research because I'm gonna do it at home, remove them. And all I need is castor oil, which I already have. I always use this for my face. On my nighttime routine, I apply this after my moisturizer and cleansing my face. It's organic. I make sure it's non-GMO and I make sure it's hexane free. And it's safe for you, of course. So the recipe says get some water and heat it up before it boils, just so that it has steam coming out. And then just put your face there with a towel, cover it, you know, just let the steam, unless you have one of those steamers, but I don't, so I need to do that DIY method. So I'm gonna try that, and then it says like wait, I don't know, be there 10-15 minutes with that so that the glue softens, and then apply some castor oil and just wait a few minutes, I guess, and then start pulling the hairs out little one by one. And because you're not supposed to yank the whole thing out, and the last thing I want is for my natural lash to come out with these. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to put my face in the steam, and then I'm gonna apply this, and then I'll start doing that live here or in the camera, you know, trying to poke them out, see what happens. We'll see. I'm back. I did it. I put the steam on my face and the oil, and now I'm going to attempt and pull these out. I don't know. Let's see. Is it gonna, ow, they're not coming out. Oh, it came out, look. Oh, did I get one of mine though? Let me see. One of my lashes? We'll see, well, let me see. Let me do it again. It hurt. It hurts. Yes, I'm getting it, but it hurts. So since they're overly longer than my actual lashes, ow, is this supposed to hurt? It's coming off. Well, that came out fairly easier. They're coming out. But since they're way longer than my actual lash, it's easier to know the difference between my own lash and the fake ones. Okay, so, ow. They're coming out, thank God. I just need to hurry before all the glue dries again, right? I don't know. Ugh, it stings a little bit. Let me see if I can just do it with my finger. Ow. Okay. Ow, don't try this at home. I'm crying. Ugh. Okay. Just trying to do this myself, but that doesn't mean it's the right thing to do. And I still got the whole other eye to do. That hurt. Okay, now I have to hurry. Because I don't want the glue to set in again and miss out on doing the other. Maybe I'll just leave a few and let those fall on their own whenever they're ready to fall. They'll fall, right? That looks better. That looks better. Okay, let me go to this side. Whoa. Okay. Let's do this side. Ow. Ow. That one didn't hurt so much. Good. Maybe I should have waited a little bit. Because this one is hurting. Ow. Wait, never mind. That hurt. Ow. Okay. You're coming out. Let me get this little brush. See where we're at. That looks still like that's all the fake part. My lash, my lash, my lash. Fake. I ripped up some lash here, I think, unless it looks. So now I have to grow my own lashes. Great. So this is what's left of my lash, natural lashes. I think I still have a couple of those, but I guess I'll let them fall whenever they fall. I can tell because they look way longer than my actual lash. Let me get some mascara and see how my lashes are gonna look with just mascara. Can't even tell from there. Barely there. Barely there mascara. Do I like it? Needs eyeliner. But they look cute. I mean, see, that's way better than what I had. Now, let me do an inspection. Because I believe that I accidentally plucked some of my lash. Okay, on this end, they look good. Because I remember having all that. I feel like I might have pulled one or two or three of my own lashes around here. But since I did have kind of a lot of full lashy lash, then you can't really tell. And then on this side, Neo go. This side looks good, good, good. Yeah, I believe I ripped some of my own lash off, like I said, but nothing too drastic that I can't deal with. And I believe I still have one or two of the fake extension, but I'll just leave it there and let them fall on their own. For now, let's just leave it like that. It's all right. We did it. So that saved me, what, $50 from getting them done at the salon. Oh my goodness. I'm on a budget, that's why. I would have gone. Literally, I would have gone and get it done professionally, but I'm not cheap. I'm just on a budget, okay? Right, Neo? Right? Okay, so that's that. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you don't have such a bad experience like I did. What I would do is I put my timer for 13 minutes, but I got out of the steamer within 9 minutes. And then I think I was supposed to wait another 5 or 10 minutes, let that castor oil set and that glue unbond, and then start pulling it. Because I noticed that on this side, when I started with the second eye, they were coming out a little easier. Therefore, I believe I had to wait a little bit of a few minutes after I put the castor oil. Other than that, I don't recommend doing this at home. But if you're on a budget and you want to do it at home yourself, that's all for today. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless you, and bye.